Thank you for tuning in. This is Today News on Channel 49. Heart-Centered Leadership Foundation, with their focus on youth development on the island, despite the recent situation, decided that their work does not stop here and are taking a beautiful initiative.
Heart-Centered Leadership Foundation was established in 2008 to empower young people to unleash their full potential. In light of the coronavirus pandemic and it having reached our shores and the socioeconomic impact it's having, we decided that we're gonna be very proactive and partner up with Fundacion Pa Nos Comunidad, which is the local food bank, to help them right now to serve families in our community that are in need. We started this project, Comunidad de Solidaridad, and it stands for One Community in Solidarity. The project is that we encourage the Aruban community to make an impact by doing one of two things. They can either donate basic needs products that can be food, for example, canned beans, canned tuna fish, rice, pasta, canned tomato sauce, anything that has a long shelf life. It can be hygiene products such as soap, bars of soap, laundry detergent. The first collection will be delivered on the 8th of April. So you have from now until the 8th of April to come to our office at Teresita Center. There is the white door that says youth, and you can come from Monday to Friday between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon.
We are very happy that Heart-Centered Leadership Foundation has approached us, because we think it's a great initiative, first of all, to help not only our clients but Aruba in its totality, because it's a project that's related on the social welfare of our clients and the entire community. And I think every help that we get from different organizations, the entire community, we appreciate that right now, because we are in difficult moments. We really need the help from every partnership that we can get, and especially if it's from another foundation. Together we can make a difference also in helping a majority of group in our community. Of course, as an NGO, we work with different other social organizations. We work with the Department of Social Affairs, we work with the FTCA, we work with all the other organizations that are helping people in this situation. And we have made a few changes in our registration form. First of all, the requirement is that organizations that are referring the clients to us need to give us also information of the clients, first of all, the basic information, but also they need to give us also information about the payment of the client, the last payment of the client, also the retirement letter that the clients get from their own job. There needs to be a proof that these people are really, they lost their job, they don't have an income, so they can come in the requirement for the food packages that we hand out, because it's based right now on the situation also of the COVID-19. We have also our regular packages that we hand out. That's the one from when people really need an urgent help, we can help them instantly. But also we have our monthly packages that also are the clients that are on the list to receive their package on a monthly basis.